Now we are going to do Asamyata Hastas, which means single hand mudras. Now I am going to do with show you my right hand. Padagas Tripadago Ardhapadaga Kartari Mugaha Mayurakyo Ardhachandrascha Arala Shugatundagaha Mushtischa Shikharakyascha Kapitta Kadaga Mugaha Mushtischa Shikharakyascha Kapitta Kadaga Mugaha Mushtischa Shikharakyascha Kapitta Kadaga Mugaha Suji Chandrakala Patmakosha Sarpashirasthatha Mrigashirsha Simhamugaha Kankulascha Alapatmagaha Chaturo Brahmarasthaiva Hamsasyo Hamsapakshagaha Samdamsho Mugulasthaiva Tamrachuda Trishulagaha Ityasamyutta Hastanam Ashtamam Shiriridha